Welcome to this English conversation for beginners. In this video, you will listen to a simple and natural dialogue about daily life, future plans, and learning English.
Hello!
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Nice weather today, right?
Yes, it's very nice. By the way, what's your name?
My name is Lucas. What's your name?
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you, Lucas.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. How old are you, Anna?
I am 23 years old. And you?
I am 21 years old.
What do you do, Lucas?
I'm a student. I study English.
That's great.
Thank you. What about you?
I work as a designer.
That sounds interesting. Where are you from, Anna?
I'm from Italy. And you?
I'm from Germany.
Oh, that's nice. Do you speak Italian?
No, but I want to learn someday.
Your English is very good.
Thanks. I practice every day. What do you do in your free time?
I like watching movies.
Me too. I learn English from movies.
That's a smart way.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
This coffee smells great. Yeah.
Yes, it smells really nice.
The coffee tastes good.
I agree. It's very smooth.
What do you do in the morning?
I check my emails and plan my day.
I study English in the morning.
That's a good habit.
Sometimes English is difficult.
Yes, but practice helps a lot.
I try to practice every day.
That's the best way to learn.
Do you take breaks when you study?
Yes, short breaks help me focus.
Yeah. Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to soft music.
Do you listen to music while working?
Sometimes. It helps me relax.
Do you like this city?
Yes, it's calm and beautiful. I like walking in the city.
Me too. It's relaxing.
Yeah.
What do you do on weekends?
I watch movies or meet friends. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies.
Movies help me learn English.
Yes, they are very useful. What are your plans for the future?
I want to grow in my career.
I want to improve my English.
You are doing very well. Time goes fast.
Yes, it really does.
Should we get another coffee?
Yes, I'd like that.
I enjoy talking with you.
I enjoy it too.
Let's meet again sometime.
That sounds interesting. Have a great day, Anna.
You too, Lucas.